What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a knife from RUIKE Knives. It is the P851B Tanto. Right now you can get this at White Mountain Knives for about 50 bucks. I think it's 49 and some change. So you can get it for 50 bucks right now from White Mountain Knives. I think they're about the only ones here in the US that you can get it. Canada, you can get it from a couple other retailers too. But they come and go in stock, so you have to kind of look around. But White Mountain Knives has them right now for 50 bucks. So let's take a look at it today, guys. Okay, so let's get to it. Alright. Okay, what do we got here? A little brochure of some sort. Yep, shows all the some of their different knives that are available. Okay, some other Chinese writing stuff. Don't cut yourself. Okay, good times. Okay, good. Alright, good enough for me. You're out of here too. Okay, what we got here? Okay, garbage everywhere. Alright, so there you go. We got G10 scales. And moderately deep pocket clip, lanyard, hole, nice moderate flipper tab, nothing super aggressive. Yeah, and there's your nice Tanto. Yeah, it looks pretty good. A little off down here with their grinds. It's pretty good on this side, it looks like, but you know, I get a little picky with that, especially when you have a recurve into a nice aggressive Tanto, because that can be a little bit of a pest to sharpen. So you got a little tiny sharpening choil, which is kind of important too. Nice aggressive flat grind. Yes. It's definitely thick behind the edge there, nice and razor sharp down here, and that definitely feels a little more of a hollow grind down here. So yeah, pretty good. We got liner lock, and there's your lockup. It's pretty on there, about 40-50%. Yeah, some nice smooth action. No wiggle anywhere in it. Definitely kind of a karambit style. This is kind of in between their aggressive karambits and just a pretty cool Tanto. So I have a medium size hand. If you've got a really large hand, you're definitely going to be hanging down here. It's kind of really does kind of confine you on a handle like this, where you can kind of put your hands. Feels good in my hand, but if you, like I said, if you have a large hand, you're definitely going to be hanging off. But love the Harpoon Tanto aspect of it. It's got a nice feeling. Yeah, it feels good in this grip too. So this would be a pretty good self-defense if you're really so desired. Nice smooth action. Yeah, too bad. Not too bad for 50 bucks. Again, you know, you do have G10 scales, and they are pretty grippy, not super aggressive. Might be, you know, pretty aggressive on the pocket aspect. Going in and out of your pocket, they might be a little rough because you're really going against the grain there. So that would be interesting. Pocket clip also isn't very high either, which makes it feel good in the hand. But if you are thick pants, like jeans, it could be an issue. Really tight getting in and out of the pocket. But other than that, it seems like it's a very nice knife, nice action. I do believe this is on bearings. I do believe it said. I don't even really remember, but it is pretty smooth. So it definitely, if it isn't, it's definitely very dialed in for washers, because I mean, it has no play in it at all. Totally secure. You do have an extra lock right here to prevent your liner lock from moving. So that's always a cool feature, and you don't even notice it. You really have to engage it. You really have to do it. Doesn't really stick up or anything, so that's nice. Access to the liner lock is good. Let's turn the lock off. So yeah, not too bad. Didn't get past the D10 up there. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Definitely can't flip it open, so would be cool if it has some thumb studs on it or something. Give you another, might make it a little more fidget friendly, but other than that, that feels pretty good. Looks good, feels good in the hands for a $50 knife. Not too bad, but we'll carry it and see how it holds up with a lot of flipping. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We always have more content coming. Have a great day. Bye.